So since we're about to move, I decided I wanted to do an entire home tour, going through everything, showing you downstairs and upstairs. I'm a little sick, so please bear with my nasalness, but I thought that I would film it and show it all to you so that you can kind of see and remember this space, and then I'm excited to show you the new apartment and how it turns out. Okay, so right now we are in the living room, and let me take you through little details and how everything looks. We have this nook made, these like little shelves. This is kind of like an awkward space before, but we created these shelves here and have just used it as like book storage, a little chest for storage too. And then I always kind of decorate the stairs a little bit different. I have vines on it right now. This is kind of like the living room space. It is the living room space. And we have this awesome sofa from West down here that I freaking love. And I don't think it's gonna make it to our new apartment. I'm really sad about it. And then I kind of change out the pillows really seasonally. And I have this like media stand that I love, and I also change this out a lot. It's always kind of a little bit different. Bar cart is something that I've had through this apartment, our next apartment, and I think I'm actually going to be taking it to our new one as well. So it's from Target, and it was obviously really bang for your buck because it's kind of kept with us. And yeah, this is like a full view of the living room so that you guys can really see it all. Hey Dookies. So the kitchen has been a labor of love. We definitely, like, putting these shelves up helped a lot. I feel like the kitchen was a little bit starky and I wanted it to still feel really homey. So we had these shelves made and I love them. And we kind of just did some details to keep the area warm. So we added little touches of wood, which I think helped a lot. I changed out these light fixtures, which I really think like helped the space a lot. And before it was just like wall mounts and they did not look good. So these really changed it a lot and I love these guys. Just like adding little plants up here and the plants here, I feel like just made it a little bit warmer. Okay, so if you come over here, you can see like we have this runner and you can just really get an idea for how the shelves really look straight on. I feel like it helps to see this and to see all of the little areas in here. I love this kitchen, but I wish I had a little bit more counter space, and we have a little bit more in the new space, which I'm really excited about. Okay, and then when you come in here, which you guys have seen a full tour of this room, I've actually done the living room, the kitchen, and our bedroom before, so you've kind of probably checked this out. But here's our room. I kept this room fairly simple, for me anyway. I just did over here, which I've changed out seasonally, and I always change the bedding seasonally because I love that. And then over here on this wall, I hung up all these hats because I didn't know where to put them, and I had them behind our bed in our last apartment. And I really like them hung up. I haven't decided if that's something I want to do with the new apartment yet. Maybe in my closet room, but I have not decided yet. And then over here I have my jewelry stand, which has like a ton of, just a ton of my jewelry and little knickknacks. These are all my headbands. Is this little piece that I have here that my mom actually did, and it's really special to me because of that. It actually was like in our, some of y'all might have heard about this also if you watch my Sweet Digs, but my mom did this and it's actually in the same framing and everything that was in our childhood home when you first walked into our house. So I love having this and it is really special to me. Okay, now I'm gonna take y'all upstairs, which I haven't really shared that much of, and I am excited to show you. Really quick, before I show you upstairs, will you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? Did you do it? Okay, thank you. And if you could please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So before I show you the upstairs rooms, let me kind of show you the details of the stairway. There is this mountain painting, or no, it's not a painting, it's like a piece of art. I love it. And then we have this newest edition. It's Abby in pink overalls. There's also these really pretty plants, which is just something that I'll definitely miss. It's like I love visually seeing this, but in reality, it does not get shown in pictures that often, sadly. Okay, so you are now officially upstairs, and I want to show you all this little nook. It is just like, I don't know, there was an awkward corner, so I really wanted it to feel like something cozy. I just really wanted it to be a little area for someone to like hang out and read a book. If I had someone visiting in town, they could just like chill here for a little bit. In reality, it does not get used that often, unfortunately, but it looks super cute. And then over here, we have this fox painting that I love, and I'm really excited it's gonna have kind of a much better place in our new apartment. And then just some blankets and random stuff, the planter. Changed these light fixtures up here, which I love, and I wanna try to bring to the new apartment. Okay, so the first room that you walk into is the guest room. So this room is really cozy. It's pretty tiny, so I wanted it to feel like a cabin, hence a lot of like the welcome to the cabin theme and all of that. But I am really happy with the way this room turned out. It's so cozy, and I don't know, there's just something like, it has like a special vibe to it. But I absolutely love this bed. We're bringing it to the new apartment. I'm really excited because I have an idea for the room that it's gonna be in. It's gonna look really cute. And then another fox picture over here, looking real cute. Okay, next up is the closet room. She is a little bit in an in-between state right now since we're gonna be moving. This room, Abby color coordinated and did such an awesome job doing it that it used to just look like a shit show, if I'm being honest, and it looks so much better. It's really exciting. Like if you look over here, these sweaters are just like beautifully color coordinated. To some, this might look like a mess. To me, this is like chaotically organized, and it's good to me. Okay, and the last room of the apartment, there's also this statement wall. That's things that we've collected from traveling and stuff, which I love. Okay, so the last room is the office, which we do a lot of work in here, obviously. And it's kind of like a package, like we store some packages in here. We have a ton of like paperwork and important stuff in here. The roof like slants, so it has this very coziness to it that I really like. And we were able to get these two long desks and put them together, which I really like. Yeah, I feel like this is a room that I don't get to show too often, but I love a lot of the pieces in here, and I love how it came together. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along on this little house tour. I hope that it kind of helped you say goodbye to our apartment now, and you got really like an idea of what the layout was like and everything. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me, and leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite room was and what home decor you think that I should bring with us to the new place. I love hearing you guys' feedback, and would love to hear that from you guys. Bye, see you later.